Hey everyone, it's Kay. I'm coming back to you all to announce the giveaway winner. And I just wanted to let you know that there will be more than one winner. The first winner will win my favorite things, but then we'll also have some winners who will win some yarn. And I want to go ahead and announce those. I want to make this video as brief as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner of the My Favorite Things giveaway. So the winner of that is Mary Sparks. Mary Sparks, you are the winner of the calendar and the yarn bowl. I just want to say, Mary, that I really appreciate that you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'm so excited that you get to win all of these things. So all you need to do is send me your address and I will mail it to you. You can send your address to kaypittmanknits@yahoo.com, kaypittmanknits@yahoo.com. I will put the email address down below in the description box. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and choose 3 more winners, and they're just going to get some yarn because I don't know, I just felt like giving because it's Christmas and I wanted to give away more if I could, and since I can, I decided I wanted to go ahead and do that. And it's nothing fancy, it's just some yarn and some needles, just to say that I really appreciate you all. So the first winner is Carmen Casillas. Carmen Casillas. I think, I don't know if I pronounced your last name right, but I will try to put your names in the up above somewhere. So Carmen, you're gonna get some yarn. I will show it to you in just a second. Also Kathy Berg. You're also a winner, and we have another Kathy as well, Kathy Garber. So Carmen, Kathy, and Kathy, you all have won some yarn. So I want to show you all the yarn. The first one person will get this yarn. I don't know if you could, it's so pretty to me, the colors anyway. And I haven't used this kind of yarn before. It doesn't look like regular yarn. So hopefully you'll know how to use this and be able to make something nice with this. And you'll get some knitting needles to go with that. Another person will win this yarn here. This is also so pretty to me. I would love to make a scarf with this. So pretty. And you will get some needles to go with that. And the last person will get some yarn similar to the first yarn. And here it is. So pretty. I love these colors. And also some knitting needles. So all you all have to do is just send me your address to kaypittmanknits@yahoo.com, and I will try to mail it out. I will mail it out all this week if you send the address in a timely manner. And you all need to respond to me, within a week. Otherwise, I'll have to choose someone else because I want to go ahead and mail it out, like I said in the first giveaway. But I really appreciate you all so much. Everyone who subscribed to my channel, I am so grateful. Again, I will be doing 12 months of giveaway. I can't remember if I said that at the beginning or not. So at the end of each month, starting in January, I'll be doing another giveaway. So I'll be doing it January through December of 2019, if I'm able. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like my video, I hope that you will continue to stay subscribed, and comment, if you would like more giveaways, and just let me know what kind of giveaways you all like. I know most people say they prefer to continue to get yarn and knitting supplies, so I mostly will stick with that. But if you can think of anything else, just let me know. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.